Hi, welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. I'm Mark,
And I'm Sharon.
and today we're going to take you on a little trip we went on recently to one of our favorite places, Solana Beach. It was a gorgeous day, and we decided to take the day off from gardening and content creation, head up the coast to see some of our favorite sites, and have a little end of the year meeting.
Right, so one of the places we wanted to stop while we were up there is the headquarters for DIY paint. Debbie's DIY Diaries is one of our favorite channels. We watch that, and we know she's moving, so we wanted to see her before she moved.
Ponderosa Garden Adventures. So. Garden Adventures, yeah. And then we're resellers on the side, but
So after Debbie's, we went to Roberto's for lunch because, as any local knows, the best place to have a business meeting in Solana Beach is Roberto's.
Then we headed down Old Highway 101 to finish the rest of the meeting at the beach listening to the surf.
remember we came up here with Jimmy. We're here today at South Cardiff State Beach for our Ponderosa Garden Adventures end of season meeting. So just wanted to hit that tag on there, and then I'm going to turn this around and you can see what's making all the noise.